Hi, I'm JayDee with Jermaine Ford of Columbus, and today I'm going to show you how to remove and install the hardtop on a 4-door Bronco. This hardtop comes off in 4 pieces: driver, passenger, middle section here, and then the back. I'm going to show you how we get these off, starting with the driver's side. Here in the front section, first thing you want to do is drop the sun visor. There's one latch here, and then there's 3 L locks. Put one there, one here, another one here, and then it'll be good to remove. And then just repeat the same process on the passenger side. So one latch here, 2 L locks, and then it's going to pop off. Off she goes. Your hardtop Bronco is going to come with a storage bag for the front panels. And what it is, we've got 2 clamps back here that clamp in these D-rings. Those there. This strap is going to go around the headrest once you have it up. And then you've got a divider in here. And what we do is we put one section on the bottom, and then we put a divider in there. This section. We grab our other panel and slide this underneath. Now this rear section, you will need some help. Friends, family, co-workers. We've got, it's simple, just a couple latches. Again, one here, one on the passenger side over there, then 3 more L locks. Then we'll flip here. Then from there, she's ready to pop off. And then store somewhere safe. Next part, your Bronco is going to come with a toolkit that's got a ratchet and some sockets. One of them is a T50 Torx bit. We're going to need it to take off these 2 on the last piece. Next part, we're going to unclip these 2 lines here, one for the washer fluid. It gets plugged in over here. And the next is for our rear defrost. And that comes down and gets plugged in over here as well. And the last step is to remove the 4 bolts on each side. And the last piece to the puzzle, I'm gonna have Brandon here help me, and we're gonna take off this rear section. And you wanna leave the glass up when you have it stored. Now that we've shown you how to remove the hardtop from the 4-door Bronco, we're gonna now show you how to put everything back on. Now we'll reinstall our wiper and our wiring harness. We'll put these top 2 bolts back in after you plug in the wiring harness. With the middle piece, with the help of a friend, you'll put it in there, and then there's your 2 latches and 3 locks, and you're all set. Top panel, you go passenger side first, then driver side. Have our 3 locks here. Our last piece is the driver's side. Up here. Just remember last time. Just like that. 3 locks. And the latch. And we're secure. Hardtop back on. Make sure you have no warnings. We're good. Thank you for joining us today. That was the removal and install of the hardtop on the 4-door Bronco. We've also got the soft top removal and how to remove the doors on our channel as well. We've got a demo unit available here. If you're interested in a test drive on a full-size Bronco, please visit JermaineFord.com.